The pattern for this bracelet is worked in two sections. You can begin with either section. I'm going to start at the left, and to begin you want to take your first two threads and then you want to take the thread on the inside and work it over the one on the left, and you want to do a backward knot. And then for your next knot in the sequence, you want to take your next thread, but instead of just working over one thread, you want to work over both the threads you just had. So again, you want to do backward knots. And then again, you want to take the next thread in the sequence and do the same thing again. And again, you're working over all your threads on the left. You want to keep doing this until you've worked all the threads in this section. So once you've completed the first section, you want to do section 2 as a mirror image of what you just did. So if you started on the left like I did, you're going to begin section 2 on the right. So this time you want to take the two threads on the right, and then you want to work the thread on the inside over the thread on the outside in a forward knot. And then like you did before, when you take your next thread, you want to work this over both the threads on the right. And again, forward knot each time. And as you did with section 1, you just want to keep repeating this sequence until you've got to the end of your threads. And once you've got the bracelet as long as you want it to be, you can do your fastening. For me, it's going to be 2 braided tie-on ends, but you could start with a loop and do 2 fastenings at one end, or you could have a button closure if you preferred. And once you're finished, you should end up with something that looks like this. And that is your completed friendship bracelet.